What's up, dear viewers? In this video, I will show you how to create a custom connection in Advanced Steel. So this is Advanced Steel 2019. For those who want to install Advanced Steel, you need to have the same version of AutoCAD because you cannot use Advanced Steel 2019 unless you have AutoCAD 2019. So welcome to this video. So I want to show you how to create a custom connection. I need to connect this hip to this connection here. So I will create the same on this side, and I'm going to save as a custom connection. So and go to the top. Just move it, expand, then move. I'm holding the scroll button to do that. So I want to create a beam from this point. At that point, I will uncheck that on that, and then I'm leaving nearest and perpendicular. I start from this other side and start from that side. I want perpendicular, so at that point, okay. So I can go to that view. Okay. Okay, I want that section. I want to drag this to the end. So I want to snap just uncheck. I'll go back to the top. I want some form of extension, so I can do that. Okay, snap at reference line. Sorry for that. Just go back to the top. Go back. I can go to. Okay, that's okay. So I will move this to some midpoint. Just uncheck. So this one is not in the center. I'll go back to. Sorry for that. Okay. Okay, AutoCAD 19 is not it's not the best for me because somehow it's loading, but no problem. Just give it a few minutes. Okay. Okay. Let's drag this from that endpoint. Just rotate it a bit so that you can see where to pick. I want to drag this one from that point. And then I want to pick the midpoint of that particular beam. Okay. So I'll go and click connection, just click connection. And then I want to select beam, this option, platform, this platform plate. And then I'll select this. But first of all, I need to change this beam. Right click, advanced property. I want to change that beam, that section, to increase it to a bigger section. So I can just, I want 18 to 11. So just need to be careful. Right click, advanced properties. Okay, I want that section. And then close. And then I'll pick perform plate. So this, the first object, hit enter. The second object, hit enter. Then give it some time. So please bear with me and see. We have to just give it some time to do the work. And the project is heavy, as you can see. It's almost a complete project. So I'm giving a couple of minutes to complete that connection there. Okay, then I can edit because I want to see, just move it, then holding shift and press button, I can be able to scroll and move it. Okay, if you can notice is that my bolts are too close, as you can see there. So if you don't see, you can change to X-ray. my bolts are too close. So I'll go to bolt horizontal and change that to 6. Hit enter. So they have moved apart a bit. I'll go to that, and then bolts vertical. You can use 4 or 3 is sufficient. I'll change to 4. Okay, and then you can rotate a bit to see. Okay, then let me just use 5. Increase the center to center distance to 5. So that is too much. Let's say 4. Okay, and then I'll go to plate and increase my plate to 1 inch instead of a half. So I'll go to main member. Again, do the same thing. 1. Okay. So these bolts are still too close. So I can go to horizontal and increase these from 6 to 10. Okay. So now I will copy that connection. You go to advanced. You can see in this home workspace, you can see advanced to palette. Click that. Then I'll go to this. You can see the tools, the hammer, and that screw, and then screwdriver, and then you can see this. Create a template. So just click it. Then I'll select that one. Hit enter. Then I'll select that that object. Wait a minute. Just rotate it so that you can see. Then hit enter. Then I'll select. So let me escape. Selected the wrong object. So again, go to select, create template. That one. Hit enter. That I will repeat again. Sorry for that. Select first the connection. Hit enter. The main member. Hit enter. Then the connected member. Hit enter. Okay. So we're done there. So now what I'm left to do is to create this other connection. So I'll go to, again, platform. So let me rotate so that I can be able to see properly. Okay, I need to move this one because it has been moved away from where I need it. I need it along that line. So just scroll so that I want to rotate it. I want it to be in the exact right position. Escape. Am I going to be able to pick that position by, okay, I want to pick that. So I will need to rotate more. Try to pick it from that view. So rotate it even more. So I want to pick it that point. Then I can just rotate it more. Rotate it. Then I want now to change to nearest. Okay, nearest is checked. nearest that particular line. So I will uncheck midpoint, okay? Just uncheck midpoint because I don't want that midpoint. I want nearest. Maybe just rotate it more. So I want this particular line. Okay, that point. Sorry for that. And then I can move it more because you can see this line is my reference. So I will move I'll take it from that point. So I just rotate it more. That point. Okay. I want to move it. Okay. Just uncheck everything. Just left with nearest. Let's just work with it the way it was because that was not the focus. How to move to that center. So sorry. Um, so just undo. Okay, I'm just going to move along that line. Okay, and then I can extend it just still along that line and type the distance. Let's say 12 feet. Enter. It's moving away. Okay, I think that is what I needed. So I'll go to that. That one, I have selected that, and then click the main member. I think that is my main member. Hit enter. Then click the secondary member. Enter. Then give it a few minutes. Um, okay. I can change the bolt diameter to 1 inch, the plate to 1 inch, the bolts horizontal. So let me go closer so that I can see what I'm trying to do here. Okay. And then just move it. And then I can rotate more. So if you have noticed already that the bolts are too close to the center. Okay. And so I'll go to main member. I change the plate thickness to 1 inch. Okay, and then change that one secondary plate to the top by other plate, and then this distance I can increase it to 4. Let's see how this will affect. That is too small, 8. No, that's still too small, 10, or even 12. And then for the bolts, I'll go to plate and bolts, horizontal, increase this one to about 8 apart, and then vertical, increase to 5, and then this distance should be 5. Then if we can rotate, we're able to see there's some bolts which are outside, so I'll double click. Can either double click or go to bolt, horizontal, vertical. I'll change this one from 5 to 4. That bolt which is outside has disappeared. Okay, then I'll go to main member, change this one to 24. Okay, that is too much. 12, not feet, inches. Okay, and then I'll go to plates, and then increase this one to 12. So that is too much. I'll increase it to 8, not feet, inches. The program is funny because if you're not careful, okay, main member. One feet. Said 1 feet is enough, or 8 inches. So I want go to plates. 6, 8, 12. That is enough. I'll go to main member. 1. Okay, that is okay. So I'll go to bolts, vertical. Increase this one to 6. Okay. So the next thing is to go to, you can see down here that it's called custom connection. Just drag it away. If you don't see this, you just need to click, you click advanced tool palette. So you go to this third option, custom connection, and then this time you want to create template connection template before we can insert. So how many members do we have? We have 3 members. I'll just rotate. I'll pick the left member, then pick the right member, then I'll pick the hip roof. So that sequence is very important. You need to note that. Then right click or hit enter. So you need to let me escape. Click select connection, 3 members. The first member, which is the left one, hit enter. The second, which is the right, hit enter. And the third, which is the hip, hit enter. So this is hip ridge connection. Okay, then if I select, you can see that is the left member, left side beam. Then the second is the right right side beam, and the hip ridge. Then hit enter. Then we need to select the object. So select, I'll select all of these. Then hit enter. So this one has been saved in, and you can see the box there. It can be saved as a custom. So if I go now to insert, you will see that we have that custom connection. So thanks for watching. If no, I need to select, this is my custom connection. You can see it. And then we can try to insert it. But I wanted to do this in my next video. Try to insert it. But if you want to insert it, the member needs to be exactly the same in that orientation. And as you can see, I've moved some members, so might be having some problem there. That's why I will. You just insert it. I will create another video of how to insert. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.